The COVID-19 outbreak at the Canadian Natural Resources Horizon Oil Sands worksite has now become the country's largest single outbreak since the pandemic began. 1,093 people have become sick, and 2 of those workers have died.
This isn't just something happening in one remote, isolated community in northern Alberta. This is an epicenter of disease that's radiating and affecting communities coast to coast.
With outbreaks now active at more than a dozen oil sands work sites, Alberta Senator Paula Simon says it's time for a coordinated national response. Oil sands operations and the work camps that support them were deemed an essential service in Alberta and are not subject to new restrictions that require any workplace with more than 10 COVID infections be shut down. Instead, the industry is relying on vaccines, partnering with Alberta Health Services to deliver mass vaccination clinics to workers on site.
The first ones have already taken place. CNRL Horizon has had a clinic this last weekend.
There are 2 aspects to vaccinating our way out. One is ensuring that everybody gets the shot.
Infectious diseases expert Craig Jenny says when it comes to work camps, the variants have made it nearly impossible to contain viral spread. Vaccinations will help, but only if nearly all workers participate. And even then, it will take 2 weeks before workers are protected.
So between now and then, unfortunately, we can expect the virus to continue to spread through these populations.
Of course, these populations are not confined to northern Alberta alone. Most of Newfoundland's COVID infections have been imported, and with so many workers flying to oil sands sites, officials there are on alert, anxious that Alberta's COVID crisis could spread. Heather, Yourex-West, Global News, Calgary.